How to find downloaded videos on YouTube. Have you ever downloaded a YouTube video for offline viewing but then couldn't find it later? Your downloaded videos are stored inside the YouTube app, so you don't need to search through your phone's gallery. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap You at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Downloads option. Tap Downloads to open your offline videos. Here, you'll see a list of all the videos you've downloaded from YouTube. Simply tap any video to start watching it without an internet connection. You can also check how much storage your downloaded videos are using and manage your downloads from this section. If you no longer need a downloaded video, tap the three dots next to it and choose the option to delete it from your downloads. Keep in mind that downloaded videos are available for offline viewing inside the YouTube app and aren't saved to your phone's regular gallery. And that's it. Now you know where to find and manage your downloaded YouTube videos. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.